In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix. You don't have permission to add product in the current region on TikTok Shop. If you're seeing that message when trying to list a product, it usually means TikTok thinks your account or device is in a different region than the shop settings allow. The first thing to do is simply open your TikTok account so you can confirm the error and be ready to try the fix right away. Now, if this problem is happening to you, the most common cause is a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, can make it look like you're connecting from another country. TikTok Shop is strict about region-based permissions, so if your VPN routes your connection through a different region, TikTok may block you from adding products. The fix is straightforward. Disconnect from the VPN you're using. Open your VPN app and turn it off, or disconnect any active session. If your device has a built-in VPN toggle, make sure that's turned off too. If you're not intentionally using a VPN, check for any network profiles or security apps that might include a VPN feature and pause them. Once you've disconnected from the VPN, give your connection a few seconds to settle back to your actual region. Then go back to the app you're using to add your product. If you manage listings through a tool like the RickRock app, reopen that. If you add products directly inside TikTok Shop, return there. Try adding the product again using the same steps you normally follow. Because you're now connecting from the correct region, the permission error should clear, and your listing should go through normally. If you're still seeing the same message after disconnecting the VPN, don't worry. At this point, the best move is to contact customer support. Reach out through TikTok Shop's support channel or the support team of the listing tool you're using. When you contact them, include the exact error message, a brief note that you're not on a VPN anymore, your account's registered region, and the time the error occurred. That information helps them verify your permissions, check for any account flags, and resolve the issue on their end. And that's it. Open your TikTok account, disconnect any VPN, go back to your listing app or TikTok Shop, and try again. And if the error persists, contact customer support with the details. This simple sequence fixes the issue for most sellers and gets you back to listing products quickly.